Welcome to Implementing Domain Name Systems or DNS in Windows Server 2019. My name is Nedim Sadovic. I work for Logosoft as a Senior System Engineer, and also I work as a Microsoft Certified Trainer or MCT for an official Microsoft training provider. My life is to teach and to preach knowledge to everyone. We learn our whole life, so let's learn it properly. I love what I do and I'm always there for the student. So enough about me, let's take a look and see what we are learning on this course. On the first section, Implementing Domain Name System DNS. On section 2, we are going to configure the DNS zones in Windows Server 2019. Section 3, we are going to configure name resolution between DNS zones. In section 4, we are going to configure DNS integration with Active Directory domain services. And last but not least, section 5, we will be ready to deal with advanced DNS settings. The prerequisites for this course are as follows: basic knowledge in Windows Server technologies, basic knowledge of Active Directory, basic knowledge of PowerShell, Windows Server 2019 installed, domain and Active Directory installed and configured. So let's get started!